Hey guys, this is part 2 of a series, so if you haven't seen part 1, hit that link right up in the top right corner. That'll take you to the first video, and then come back to this one. If you've already seen part 2, thanks for coming back to watch this one. I need to sand down these cornhole boards, paint them at a finish, and then to end this video, I need to make some bean bags to throw into the cornhole. After marking out the design I want for my cornhole boards, I'm going to use some painter's tape to outline that design, and then I'll also cover it with plastic just to keep the rest of the board from being painted. The design is all laid out and ready to paint. One thing to keep in mind is the paint has a tendency to go underneath the tape if you put it on too thick. So the first couple of coats I'm going to be putting it on really lightly just to keep it from bleeding underneath the tape. Paint is all dry now and it's ready for the finish. I'm going to be using a polyacrylic. This is water based, so it has an easy cleanup. There's hardly any smell to this as well, and then it also dries really quickly and has a hard finish on it. I will end up applying about 3 coats of this, and in between each coat, after it dries, I lightly sand it to smooth out the coat on top. That way any air bubbles or imperfections that might get stuck to the finish will be sanded down and it'll be smooth. All I need now is to create the cornhole bags to go with this. What I've got here is 8 cornhole sacks that my wife has sewed for me, and then I've got 2 bags of popcorn kernels. I'll be putting in about 1.25 cups in each of these bags. I started out with 1 cup and it didn't quite feel full enough, so I added another 1/4. I will run out and I'll only get 6 filled, so I'll need to go to the store and get some more popcorn and finish this off another day. Filling up the bags, I'm going to put a needle in the hole to hold it together, keep the kernels from coming out until we finish stitching this up. Bean bags are all finished, and like I mentioned before, there are 2 that still haven't been filled up. I ran out of corn, so I'll have to pick that up another time and fill those up, but for our video today, all I need to do now is test it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was fun for me, and it also saved some money making it myself instead of going out and buying one. But if you enjoyed this video, let me know by leaving a comment below or hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. That way you know when I upload new videos, and I'm trying to do that 1 per week throughout this year. So just keep an eye out for my new videos coming. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.